Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is August 29, 2022, 9:07 pm, and I'm super late. I'm running super late. 9:07 is usually never while I'm recording. I was this close to not recording even today because I skipped Saturday, Sunday. And I'm just gonna say that today, like in today's documentation, there's literally nothing that I have to document other than the fact that the entire weekend, 2 days, I spent on the moving meditations challenge, and yesterday night I submitted the challenge. Just before this recording, I uploaded on Instagram in the square format, and I uploaded it on my YouTube channel. Something on my YouTube channel after almost ages, I believe. That was the big thing. Like over the weekend, like I can just say one thing, that this weekend passed away in one snap. If I had to describe the weekend in one word, it'd be flow. Constant flow. I absolutely had no idea of time, space, anything other than the fact that I was in Blender and I had to figure it out. The figuring out process, I think, really started with me understanding that I don't really need to make a rig from the beginning and then retarget it to one of the animations. I could just use a Mixamo rig. I have just some animation Mixamo, and their rig is like absolutely perfect. When you retarget anything to their rig, flawless. So yeah, I did spend some time making my own character. There is a ton of things I learned. I have to probably do like a detailed breakdown of the entire scene, because towards the end yesterday, a lot of the things in this scene I could have done differently using instances and stuff like those that would make it a lot more easier to navigate around the viewport, make it a lot more easier to just render it quicker, because it took I think around 3 hours to render that 6-second frame, and it shouldn't be so long. I mean, technically there is a lot of lights and a lot of things happening in their smoke simulations and stuff, so it's fair to take that much time, but I loved every single second of making this. And one thing I'm gonna do is, like, every single month now CG Boost has a challenge every single month. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do Clinton Jones's challenge. I think they're twice every year. So yeah, I'm just gonna be going very heavy in these 3D challenges, because this is like my oyster. This is like my way of just practicing and putting all the skills that I've gathered over a year. It's been less than a year. I started in January, proper 3D. So like 7-8 months of effort, like consolidated and put it to practice. You can see it from my voice. I'm very excited, very happy. I think I'm doing a little bit. I woke up at 10 today, much needed extra sleep, because the 2 days I basically woke up at my normal time, 5:30 or 6, and did not sleep throughout the day. That happens very rarely, but I was just so fixated in getting this render right, and that's how it happened. Worked on 2 episodes of show 2. One thing I really wanted to spend, I said that. Pretty late scenes, but at 2 p.m. I started working on the shop floor video. I haven't completed that little section I had to work on today. There was one call in between, but yeah, the day pretty much went away just like that. Nothing productive as such. Small things I've learned. Was there something? Yeah, I was watching a few Blender videos. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's documentation. Nothing productive as such, but yeah, I probably need to make a tutorial on the things that I've learned. A, because I don't want to forget it, right? If I make a video on something, I won't forget it. And B, anyone who's struggling with the same problems can get help and find a solution for it. That's what the plan is. And now I'm not going to edit because I'm already late. I'm going to go down, get my workout and come up and then edit the video. So thanks so much for being in the Khud. One more day. And I'm thankful that I continued this streak, because you miss 2 days in a row, it's very easy to just be like, nah. But no, we're going to stick to it. Consistency is the reason why anything valuable or worthwhile happens in life. Very thankful to God for this life and the way that life is manifesting itself. Thank you so much to you who's not currently seeing this video. I'm hoping at some point in future you're watching this, but thankful for you as well. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.